Hello traders, the title of the video is 2 reasons why mechanical trading system winning rate is not important. Alright, I know that some trader will quickly switch off and say, George, it is very important, the winning rate of mechanical trading system. And another person may say, George, what is a mechanical trading system? A mechanical trading system is not an automated trading system. It is a written trading system that one can learn and apply. So when you purchase a mechanical trading system, you will receive a PDF that is explaining to you how you use the system. And then once you finish to master the system, you will apply it live. When one purchases a trading system, a mechanical trading system, it is very, very important that one, in my view, use for instance at least 14 days to learn to master it, because the person who built the system belongs to him first. So therefore, during the first 14 days, one can ask questions, test it, all right. If one does not like it, one can ask for a money back. That will be the best approach for a mechanical trading system. Very often, when traders purchase a mechanical trading system, they often use it as an automated trading system, because the mechanical trading system, like the automated trading system, will give a signal. All right, so you will identify the signal and you will take it. When you are using an automated trading signal, it can be a green arrow telling you to buy, a red arrow to sell. When you are using a mechanical trading system, when the signal occurs according to the rules described in the document, you will decide to buy or to sell. But you do not have to take every signal. That will be another topic another day. But 2 reasons why mechanical system winning rate is not very, very important. The first reason is that the mechanical trading system is not a trading robot. Why? A trading robot is a machine, all right? Is a software, and a software is likely to deliver the same winning rate. But when you are using a mechanical trading system, the winning rate that they talk about, so if you buy a mechanical trading system, let's say you can achieve 70% winning rate, that winning rate is only indicative and referring to the person who tests it. So the person who tests it, based on his experience, his skill, his ability to understand the market, can achieve up to 70% winning rate. That person who wrote the mechanical trading system. But now, another trader that is learning the same trading system or learning to apply the same mechanical trading system may not achieve the same winning rate. Now, even when we are using an automated trading system, all right, a trading robot, for instance. So the trading robot, when you test it, for instance, so I test it for currencies, all right, maybe he delivers 40% winning rate, and then I test it for stock, and then he delivers 50% winning rate, and then I test it for ETF, and then he delivers 65% winning rate. All right. Now, suppose I want to sell that trading robot, and when I was selling it, I put the highest winning rate, and I say 65% winning rate. That's no false claim, because with the ETF, it has achieved 65% winning rate. But I'm not obliged to tell you that it's only for the ETF. Now one can argue that it's false claim, but it's not false claim because the same trading robot has achieved 70% winning rate. So what you need to understand when they are talking about the winning rate, all right, is only indicative. So when you see that they say 80% winning rate or 60% winning rate or 90% winning rate, all right, it does not mean that one will definitely achieve that winning rate. In the case of the automated trading robots, all right, one can say that everybody that is using the same robot, okay, on a good day, when the robot is doing well, everybody will achieve similar, okay, winning rate if they take all the signal that the trading robot is giving. All right, that will be something people can expect, but it's not always true. As I told you now, you can buy the trading robot. All right, you use it for a currency, you may have a different winning rate. So if you are a forex trader, you may go and say, this is a useless scam, this is a useless trading robot. They say 70% winning rate. Now I have only 40% winning rate. I can't even come near that, okay? Or they say, or you are a stock trader, you achieve 50% winning rate. You may not be very happy. And you say, they say 70% winning rate. Now I'm getting only 50% winning rate, though I am, okay, using it correctly. But those that are using trading, for instance, okay, ETF may achieve a higher winning rate, and you may say, yes, this is the best automated trading robot. But even that, the trading robot will perform, the performance of the trading robot will reflect the market reality. So if the market change, if the market is changing, okay, if the market is changing, you may have a different winning rate. So even those that are trading, okay, ETF, if they were achieving 70% winning rate before with the same trading robot, if the market has changed, all right, that a trading robot may not deliver 70% winning rate. So they may see for a 60% winning rate, and if the market is deteriorating, they may even achieve 40% winning rate for the same trading robot that was delivering before 70% winning rate. If the rating of that trading robot is going down, and everybody, including the currency trader, the stock trader, now remember that the ETF trader were very happy about the same trading robot before. Now they are getting okay, the worst result, the worst winning rate. They will also join, okay, currency and stock trader and start blaming the trading robot, and the person who is selling the trading robot will shut it down very bad because of the bad publicity. So always, whether it's an automated trading robot or a mechanical trading robot, the winning rate is only indicative. But most importantly, for a mechanical trading robot, the winning rate, okay, is relative to the trader performance. So I can give to 10 traders the TSTW24 mechanical trading system, day trading system, and some of those traders may turn around and say, this is a useless day trading system. Another may say, George, this is the best day trading system. Another may say something completely different. So you see now? So the person that is applying the rules to trade in a financial market will, okay, the winning rate will be indicative of his performance. Though we may argue that is the performance of the trading system, the mechanical trading system, firstly is the performance of the trader that is using the mechanical trading system. The reason why I'm recording this video is because I sell mechanical trading systems that are based on market principle. This is very important. A trading system or a trading robot that is not based on a market principle is useless. You can quote me anywhere. It will not stand the heat of the financial market, and it will fail sometime badly. So the same system used by the same trader trading the same financial instrument, all right, may not deliver the same result another day, another month, another year, because it's not based on a market principle. If the system is based on a solid market environment, and a trader with a greater experience, greater understanding of the market that has mastered the system, okay, that trader can have what we call consistent winning trade, which means his winning rate may not change dramatically very much, because he or she understands the market and has mastered the mechanical trading system. So when we're using a mechanical trading system, say 70% winning rate, doesn't mean that everybody will achieve 70% winning rate. Another trader may achieve 60%, another one 70%, another 50%, depending on their knowledge, and most importantly, whether they master the system very well, and also is the system based on a solid market principle. So the first reason why mechanical trading system winning rate is not very important is because they are not automated trading system. The automated trading system in the same condition will tend to achieve the same winning rate. So if I build a trading robot, for instance, all right, based on a solid market principle that I'm willing to share with you, though it's in a black box, and I say this is based on market patterns. All right, you work in a bullish trend, downtrend, and consolidation, and you can use it only for indices between the time when the market is open and during the first 2 hours. So I'm very clear about it. I say indices only, and use it only during the first 2 hours when the market is open. So it's very, very specific trading robot, designed only for indices, tested only for indices. So the winning rate on that trading robot is reflecting exactly the financial instrument is designed for, and you can use it to trade only that financial instrument according to the rule of that trading robot. Then, if everybody is following the rule using the same trading robot, they may achieve the same winning rate. But it's not the same when we are talking about mechanical trading system, because now we are relying on the understanding and the mastery of the trader that is using it. I'll give you one example. I've seen some traders that are very new that have purchased the TSE WS108, which is a swing trading system. And those traders, sometimes I can see that basic knowledge of the market, they are struggling with it. So those traders may ask for their money back, or they may go around saying that TSE WS108 is a useless trading system. And understand why a trader may say that, and that's fine with me, all right? Or a trader, you may see sometimes some traders with a lot of experience, all right? They are using a swing trading system for day trading, all right? Or they are trading, financial instruments that are called completely useless. So sometimes traders send in the chart, you look at the chart and say, what are you trading that? That's not good. Change it, all right? That can help the trader to quickly see where the problem is coming from. So the reason why I prefer that trader use mechanical trading system instead of trading robot is because the trader is learning to trade, is learning the system, is learning to master the system, and all the information is provided to that trader. And even if the trader can contact the builder, sending charts, asking questions, that will be even good. So the trader may try it, all right, may use it, and may say, this is not for me. All right? You can have that trader may say, that's not for me. I can't trade it. I don't like it. So it doesn't suit that trader style. It doesn't mean that the system is flawed, but it's that the trader say, it's not for me. My trading style is not for me. Well, that's fine. Goodbye. All right? Want your money back? Get your money back. Okay? That will be fair deal. Okay? All right? But so understand that the winning rate of a mechanical trading system is not as important as it is for a trading robot for the reasons I already mentioned. The second reason why, mechanical trading system winning rate is not very, very important, which I mentioned before. So the first reason I say it's not because it's not a trading robot. The second reason, which I attach upon already, is more to do with the ability of the trader that is using the trading system, the mechanical trading system. So the winning rate of one trader will be different from another trader, all right? Though they are using the same mechanical trading system, the system may not be flawed, the system may be a viable trading system. So a trader with a lot of experience, a trader that understands the market, a trader that is smart, may use that trading system and be happy with the system and say, oh, I will keep this trading system, I will recommend this trading system. So that trader may recommend that mechanical trading system to another friend, and that friend may find it completely useless and say, what are you talking about? This is rubbish. And the other trader may say, no, that's my favorite mechanical trading system. But I understand that the winning rate that they mention on the box is reflecting first the trader who took those trades. So if, for instance, I build a mechanical trading system, this is a very good example, pay attention. I build a trading system based on a market principle. Now, I pay a professional trader to test it for me, all right, to test it. So I say, I use an independent trader to test the system, all right? So that person is a very, very experienced trader, and I say, I build this day trading system, I build this swing trading system, and people are criticizing it. Will you be happy to test it for me, all right? And then give me the winning rate, and I'll pay you for it. So this is a very experienced person. So that person test it, and he come around and say, George, you have built the best day trading system, you have built the best swing trading system, and I have achieved more than 90% winning rate. And I say, all right, I will not say 90% winning rate, I'll use 70% winning rate. All right, so I put you on the market and say, this swing trading system, this day trading system, this mechanical trading system can achieve up to 90% winning rate. And here it is. It's not even tested by myself. It's tested by this reputable trader, and this is what he has achieved. And I show you everything. All right. So you are convinced. You are convinced. Everything is clear. Okay. So you trust the winning rate. You say, well, this is documented. Everything is clear. Does it mean that you will achieve the same winning rate? No. All right. So if now you purchase is a 70% winning rate, now you get 50% winning rate, even 40% winning rate. Now, is it the system or is it you? We may say a fair answer will be both. You may say both, all right? Both. You may say both. All right? You say, oh, I didn't understand the signal very well. I couldn't contact the builder to ask more questions. It's not very clear. He only showed good example. He didn't see all the other challenges. That's why we recommend to traders that are using our system. Sometimes you may have some horrible trade, some useless, bad trade. Send them in, and we can point out few things. Maybe you made a mistake. Maybe you are new trader. Maybe you are struggling. All right, and then we point it out to you. Say, look, you are violating the market pattern. You were selling in an uptrend. You shouldn't do that. You were buying in a downtrend. You were violating the market pattern. This is critical. Don't do that. Or you were trading, okay, at the wrong time, day trading during the gap period. Don't do that, please. All right? So that will be something that trader may take into consideration. And it is so important when one purchases a mechanical trading system to learn to master it first. Sometimes traders do not want to master it. So they say, I trusted this guy, I watched his video, he's a very good trader, all right? I watched all his live trading video. I don't have to test it. All right? I don't have to test it. I don't have to master it. I just need to do it as he told me. No. You have to learn to master the system because you are going to trade it. You are going to apply it. So the two reasons why mechanical trading system winning rate is not very important is because first, they are not trading robots. So it's not the same software trading for everybody. And I explained to you even for automated trading robot, all right, you will not have the same winning rate sometimes depending on the market environment and the reality of the market at that point in time. And also depending on the financial instrument that you are using. You may not know the whole story behind the trading robot or the trading black box. All right. The second reason why mechanical trading system winning rate is not very important, but only indicative, reflecting the person who tested it. Not only that, the time when they tested it. Sometimes market can be very, very friendly. You remember, sometimes you may come into the market and take a trade from the opening to the closing. No losing trade. Have you ever had that before? No losing trade. Market was so friendly. It's like something has changed. All right. So if you use that trading, that mechanical trading system, probably is based on a market principle. That's very, very important. All right. That day or that week, you may be going on Twitter and say, oh, this is the best day trading, this is the best day trading, this is blah, blah, blah. Because you have achieved, it's not even a 70% winning rate, it's 90% winning rate. So you go into every forum recommending it, okay, good. And everybody believes you. And if you are highly influential, all right, this was happening sometimes, professional traders may test a trading robot and they may recommend to their followers. But their followers are forgetting that the experienced trader has experience, the skill, the knowledge, but they do not. And they think that they will achieve the same winning rate. They will not. So all in all, the winning rate of any mechanical trading system that is based on a market principle is only indicative, which means you want in a normal condition, or a good trader can achieve up to 80% winning rate, can achieve up to 70% winning rate. And in the previous video, our data talked about the winning rate, okay, what is trading system winning rate. I was telling trader, when you see the indicative, that you remember that video, what is a trading system winning rate, check it out at 24 stock trader, DG2, DG4, stock trader YouTube channel, what is a trading system winning rate. I explained that. Now, if you see an indicative, okay, winning rate, try to divide it by 3, all right? That will give you the conservative, okay, winning rate. So normally we should be saying between, okay, 30% and 80%, or between 25% and 80% winning rate. And people will say, I'm confused. Tell me exactly the winning rate. So the reason why sometimes traders do ask that question, some traders are very new to trading system, mechanical trading system, automated trading system. So they say, tell me exactly the winning rate. All right? You see? All right. So then they made a mistake. They think that, okay, I will definitely achieve that. But no, you will not with mechanical trading system. Okay, then they say, okay, I'll purchase a trading robot. Even that's not true. All right? The trading robot may perform well for a month, for a year, for a quarter, and then market may change. This is the problem. That's why we want traders to be in charge of their trading decision. Master the method. That's what they say. Trade your setup, okay? Know your setup, which means master the system and trade it. So sometimes it's just because a trader does not like the system. So they will talk about it, but they say, well, it's too simple, it's too simple. Or it's too complicated, it's too complicated. Or this is not for me. I prefer RSI trading system. I watched your video about RSI, I was looking for RSI trading system. Or I watched your video about Elliott Wave, I was looking for Elliott Wave trading system. Watch this. I don't want it. Get your money back, please. Get your money back. Okay, very important. Get your money back. Okay, everybody is happy, all right? So this is it, okay? Why? Okay, 2 reasons why, okay, mechanical trading system winning rate is not very important. And understand, when you are using a mechanical trading system, bear in mind that I am using a mechanical trading system and I am the decision maker. Very often, those that have purchased TSCW 24 or SYS08, we have the list of the technical indicator and their setting, and there is one indicator that is saying you yourself, the trader, which means there is a role for you to play. That's why we have a website, www.best-trading-strategy.com for TSTW24 traders with pre-recorded videos to help those traders to master the system, and also we give them our direct email so they may contact us. So if you purchase it, don't go live straight away. Use a demo account, test it, ask questions, and before the end of the 14 day, ask for full refund. That's it. End of the deal. All right. Don't skip it. Don't skip it. All right. Don't skip it. Don't go live straight away. All right. Sometimes some traders are very lucky, so they purchase the system and they start going live with that testing it, and everything went well. And they say, "I'm very, very pleased with your system." And then few months later, they get back to you. They say, "What's this nonsense?" Okay, so something has changed. The reason is they haven't mastered the system, all right, or they didn't take time to familiarize themselves with the system to understand. So what we are trying to do is to give back to you the system. Is that you own the system. I build it. Now I want you to own it. You purchase it. I want you to also own it, understand it the same way as I understand it. All right. There will be a losing trade all the time. So a trading system doesn't mean that you're going to have a profitable trading account. We need to talk about that. So it may just be because you were losing before $1,000 per month. Now with that system, you are losing only $500. Is that good? So over the year, you have been losing $1,000 each month. Now here you are losing $500. There is a change. So you have learned something that is helping you to improve. Or you were having before, okay, your winning rate was before 40%. Now you are having 60% winning rate. Now you are having 60% winning rate, which means if you take 10 trades, you have 6 winning trades, 4 losing trades. But you still do not have yet a winning trading account. So now you need to work on the money management. Money management. So did the trading system help you to improve a little bit? So now, sometimes the trading system is just a tool to help the trader to get to the next level. I have purchased trading system over the year, and I've seen some of them, and they did open my eye on some of the things that I'm taking off. They clarify a few things, and okay, I don't use them anymore, but I learned something from that system. All right? Okay? So this is it. 27 minutes already gone. Any question, any suggestion, any lament, any complaints, any bashing in the comment section, please put in the comment section, and of course I will be recording another video to answer your specific question. Do you think the mechanical winning rate is so important, and why? It's only indicative. It doesn't mean that you will definitely achieve that. That's the whole message I'm communicating to you. It's not a trading robot. A trading robot may, in certain conditions, you may have 10 traders using a trading robot at the same time, same market, same financial. They may achieve the same winning rate, all right? But doesn't mean that the trading robot is better than mechanical trading system. There are some advantages for using trading robot. In fact, I recorded a video today that I will be posting at 2-4-Stock-Trader. The title of the video is "Do Trading Robots Really Work?" Be sure to watch that video so you may understand more. Because we are technical trader, we are market participant, and the tool that we use, okay, trading robot, trading software, mechanical trading system, okay, belong to that group. And we need to use those tools correctly, understand what is going through the mind of the person who is building it, and how a person who purchases it should use it, the correct step that person should take to benefit from the system. You may have a system that you are using or that you create yourself. Now, with this video, check, is it based on a simple market principle? Can that trading method work on every market environment? Like moving average crossovers, one must use it with the 3 market pattern. So we do not rely on moving average crossover. Like here, we do not rely on them when the price is consolidating. You see? So with more understanding, then you start using the system more correctly. All right? You do not want to sell, okay, in an uptrend. That's not your priority. Your priority to sell is in a downtrend. What's in the best strategy when the price is consolidating? And the trading system, are you using it for the best financial instrument? You see? So all in all, you are doing it. So you may say they tested it. Who tested it? Is it a professional trader who tested it? That's indicative of the skill of that trader. You see? That's it. That's that trader. Well, you can't deny it. If that person is an established professional trader, everybody will believe that person. But doesn't mean that you also will achieve the same thing. They may show you all the proof, but doesn't mean that you also will achieve the same thing. Not only that, the market is changing all the time. All right, and a trader who understands the market will adjust all the time and decide when I should take the signal, when I shouldn't take the signal. I do not have to take every signal. When I'm taking a bullish signal, it has to be at the support level, at the key level, and we want to trade on the edge of a trend line, okay, and so on and so on, and slowly. Did you improve your knowledge, your skill, your experience using the system? That's the most important thing. The system is to help you to become a better trader. Did you achieve that? If yes, good. Understand what's going through the mind of the person who built the system. And the most important thing, after you purchase the system, you may ask to know the principle that govern that system. And the person will be happy to tell you, or if you can contact the person, because very often when they purchase the system, that's it, they pay and finished. Okay? If there's a refund, they may have a refund. If there's no refund, there's no refund. But even if there's a refund, can you get back to the person who built the system? Very important. Is there more educational material or website that can help you to improve the system? Are you somebody who wants to trade like a pro and learn a master, or are you a speculative trader? You are somebody who does not know how to trade. Maybe trading robots are for you. So look for the best trading robot, but be careful. The trading robot will not make you rich. All right? So that's it. If you cannot trade, all right, then a mechanical trading system is not for you. Or now, are you willing to learn to trade? Then you start learning and improving it. Don't go and buy, okay, a swing trading system if you are very, very new trader. You will struggle with it. I can tell you that you will struggle with it. All right, you struggle with it, especially if it's based on a top-down trading method and also, okay, market principle. All right, all in all, that's it. But if there is a reform, okay, and a trial period, then it's good. Okay, you can learn something, you get something for free even sometimes. All right, but don't abuse the system. Otherwise, if the builder see that this particular country, people who bought it there, they are all dishonest, and they will refuse to take any payment from those people that are coming from that area. So you are blocking other people. So try to be honest and don't abuse the honesty of those that are building the system. All right. And when you are going to comment about system, make a fair comment. All right. And take part of the responsibility, especially if it's a mechanical system. Say you are a new trader, and then make a fair judgment. I see sometimes system reviewer, there is a forum for system reviewer, all they do, they bash trading system. Now, those people, are they professional traders? What's their trading level? Now, because when you are testing a mechanical trading system, you are reflecting your own trading ability. So here you are somebody who does not have enough experience to day trade, testing a mechanical day trading system and bashing the builder. But the problem is not the system sometimes. It's just the person who tested it. The person is so bad. And a professional trader takes the same system and they have a good result. Some professional traders are using more than 50 and 200. That's all. A pitchfork tool. You'll be amazed. All right? So this will conclude our discussion today about 2 reasons why mechanical trading system winning rate is not very important. 34 minutes, George. Well, we want to talk about everything, and we said it now, okay? You have any question, suggestion, comment, lament? Okay, put it in the comment section, and in due course, I will be recording another video to answer your specific question. If this video has opened your eye, has been useful to you, give us the thumbs up. If you think, George, it's too long, maybe I should mark it down, maybe not. All right. George, it's too much blah, blah, blah. Okay, mark it down. I'm not impressed, mark it down. If you think it's an essential tutorial to help other traders to understand exactly the winning rate, mechanical trading system, automated trading system, share it on the social website. Okay. Until the next time, enjoy yourself and be very happy. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, 24 Stock Trader, Digit 2, Digit 4 Stock Trader, and be sure to click on the notification bell so anytime we record a new video, you will be the first person to be notified. Until the next time, enjoy yourself and be very happy. We are the TSTW24 traders talking about 2 reasons why mechanical trading system winning rate is not very important. Is it important? Okay. We want to hear your thoughts. Thank you for watching.